Have you ever noticed you get a flat battery in winter? So in winter you drive along, you've got your headlights going, you've got your air conditioning running, it drains a lot more power out of the battery. This is why in winter you get flat batteries, but to be honest, it's something people don't think about. Batteries are really underrated. The alternator is not like the big power supply that we have in a house. You know, if you want to increase the power coming out of a bulb, you put a bigger bulb in it, gives you enough power to run the bulb. In a car, we only have a certain amount of amperage coming out of the alternator. Even without an upgraded audio system, you should be charging your battery once a year, and generally done just before winter and autumn. Now, if you've got a reasonable size audio system, like this one has, you charge it once every 3 months. So this nice battery in here was going flat, and it's because it was only getting a surface charge every time the vehicle was driven. Now the surface charge just gives it enough to start it the next time, and if you leave it for too long it won't start again. So we've got this vehicle in here to give it a bit of a top up. So we'll connect up the battery charger and we'll switch this on, and this is a smart charger, but this is also designed to charge a bunch of different types of batteries, and after it's done its recondition, this battery will be in amazing condition and ready to go. Different battery sizes will require different types of chargers, and if you've got a big audio system, chances are you've got a big battery. And if you haven't, maybe we need to have a conversation about that. Unless you've got the right sort of charger for the battery you have, it will not charge properly, and you can even damage the battery. You can come and see us for a battery charger that's going to suit your needs. We've got a range of them that will allow you to charge your battery specifically. So if you're charging it every 3 months, you'll be maximising what you're getting out of the audio system, as well as you'll be able to achieve the best possible starting and electrical results out of the vehicle.